Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the Werfault exe application error in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. When you encounter the Werfault exe application error in Windows 11, it often points to issues with your system's memory. Before we dive into advanced diagnostics, let's start with a system file check. Open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrative Command Prompt window, type sfc:/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan to repair any missing or corrupt system files. Once the scan completes, you can proceed to check your system's memory. Next, search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. You will be prompted to restart your computer. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. This tool will scan your RAM for any errors. If the Werfault exe error persists after performing these steps, it indicates a potential hardware issue with your RAM. In such cases, it is recommended to contact a hardware technician who can assess and potentially upgrade or replace your RAM modules. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.